Welcome to Fila Filled Quick Meals, where we show you quick and delicious recipes that you can make at home. For this recipe series, we'll be featuring flour from Philippine Foremost Milling Corporation. Philippine Foremost Milling Corporation manufactures bread flour, cake flour, all-purpose flour, and other specialized flours for all your baking and cooking needs. If you like this video, please like and share on Facebook and follow us for more recipes. Since the start of ECQ, all of us have been unable to travel. Allow us to take you around the world with our recipes. Imagine yourself sipping a cafe au lait next to the Eiffel Tower. Today's recipe is French crepe. To start this recipe, let's sift our snow silk cake flour. So let's start by sifting our snow silk cake flour. For cake flour especially, you need to sift to remove the lumps and to aerate the flour. This gives you better quality finished product. Then, next is to add our refined sugar. The next thing we have to do is to mix our liquid ingredients with our dry ingredients. So, combine them and then we need to whisk well. Make sure that there are no lumps. So, if you are unable to remove the lumps, don't worry, you can always strain your mixture. Just make sure you have a smooth mixture to make very good crepes. So now it's time to cook our crepes. If you have a Teflon pan, no need to grease, but if you don't, then you can use butter and oil. So ladle in 2 to 4 tablespoons of the mixture. This would depend on the size of your pan. Swirl it around to make a very thin crepe. And then we'll cook this for a few seconds. Now it's time to flip our crepe. Slide your spatula underneath and then just go for it. Give it a flip. There you go. And just fix up all the edges and give this another few seconds. Make the caramelized bananas. Make some dry caramel on your stove. When you have this golden brown caramel, deglaze with some butter, and then we will add in our sliced bananas. Give this a mix. Then we add in our cinnamon powder. Start by taking our finished crepes. We'll spread some chocolate hazelnut spread on half of the crepe. Don't worry that this is not perfect because we're going to fold it and nobody will see. So this is something that you can do with the kids. You don't need special tools for this, just ordinary things in your kitchen. Fold. Finish with some caramelized bananas that we cooked earlier. Put some of the caramel over the top of the crepes. Then some whipped cream. And garnish with some mint for a nice presentation. We can also garnish our crepes with cream and strawberries. It's very simple as well. Then we'll add some sliced strawberries. Sugar, some chopped pistachio, some more milk, some more strawberries,
Please do try our recipes. I hope you enjoy making them and sharing them with your loved ones. For more information about our products, please check out our website. You can also message us on Facebook or email us for any more questions. See you again soon!